Hey guys, today we are going to learn about port props and IP services. In the basic thing, cloud dimensions have several Unix machines that do not communicate over the standard SSH port 22. They wish to extend the discovery to utilize their in-house custom SSH port of 8433. In addition, they have determined the Shazzam is the bottleneck when long discovery times are encountered. Cloud Dimension would like to take advantage of Shazam batch size configuration. Now I am going to port props. I will show you how that is showing. So here is the port props. We can able to see the particular SSH, WMA, SNMP things are already predefined as per the OOB. These port props are used in discovery by Sajam prop to detect protocol activity on open ports on devices it encounters, right? When port props encounters a protocol in use, the Shazam sensor checks the port prop record to determine which classification prop to launch. Let me open, for example, I just opened the SSH uh, port prop and I just show you how the things are there. So this is the SSH discovery port prop record. So this port prop triggers IP services, SSH and a Unix classification prop. The IP service called SSH defines the port associated to the SSH port prop used by a Shazam prop. Additional IP services can be configured and modified if a customer is using non-standard ports, right? Because this SSH port is using defaultly the port number is 21, correct? Sorry, 22. So we can able to use additional IP address also by creating the additional IP addresses. We need to go into the IP services. Let me go into the IP services. So here, if I type SSH, there is only one record is there, which with port 22. Let me open this one. The things are showing. So here is our SSH IP services. So here the you can see the port number, secure shell, the service name, those kind of things. So this is the IP service record. So if I want to add additional IP service for particular SSH, I just add a custom port. This is I just going to create another SSH port. So port. So I just change the port because we are going to create a new custom port. So 8433. Let me insert it. So once I insert that one, the two SSH IP services have been created. Now again I am going to the port props. This is our port props. Let me refresh this one and I just add the SSH custom port. This is triggered by so SSH. This SSH is this one with the port number is 22. I just add port number 8433. Let me type SSH. This one is already present. I just select this one now and log this one. Then this now using the magnifying glass icon, right? You can see. So using this one, we are selecting the IP service. So SSH Pro port probe now configured to scan on both ports. What are the ports? 22 and 8433. So once I need to update this one. So now we need to do the Linux server discovery, which we already created earlier, right? Earlier lab. So let me go to the Linux server discovery schedule. Discovery schedule. We already created this one. Here I do the discover now. So while it's discovering, let this Shazzam output uh, processed. So this Shazzam output has been processed now. So let me open this Shazzam output, and then I show you the custom port is showing or not. Let me open this XML. If we do the control plus F or command plus F in MacBook, let me open the 8433. So you can see the 8433 port is showing in the output, Shazam probe output. This is our SSH custom port. So while adding that this port, Linux-based discovery is working based on that one. So this is our uh, port probe can be customized. So if I make 22, that port 22 also it's showing. So while adding that custom output, it will be working as mentioned in the discovery status. So if we change it to any other port, depends on the customer, we can able to customize it. So now I am just showing you other kind of Shazam batch kind of thing. So here now I am going to show you that a Shazam batch provides an option to enter the number of IP addresses that each Shazam probe will scan. So let's do that. Let me close all the things, and let me go to the discovery schedule and click new. So here I just type uh, jump batch scan. In the discover, I select IP addresses. The Windows mid server we already using this one, right? So I just use this one. Here the Shazam cluster support, we should need to uncheck it, and one we need to make the discovery ranges for this kind of one, and also we need to change the Shazam batch size to 256, which this Shazam batch size can be divided as a part of two records. Let me save this schedule. and then I just provide the quick ranges 198.51.10/23. If you can't understand this kind of /23 and things, I will make you another video for how the /23 work, and also how the batch size is going to change. I try to put the cards in between the video. So if I refresh this one, the I can see the discovery IP ranges. Let me do the quick discovery. Before we do that, Shazzam batch size is set to 256, right? So the Shazzam props are deployed, each consisting of 256 target IPs. So in the first Shazzam probe, after its resulting returned and process kicks off the classification of these devices that responds to the port scan, while at the same time the second Shazam prop is also deploying. So let's see how the things are working. Let's check this discovery status. Once it's completed, let me pause and then I will be come back. So now you can see this discovery status. Both Shazam outputs has been processed. Let me open the first one. Here, if I select this XML and if I check this text node parameter name range, it's showing us 101.1 to 254, right? So let me open the other one. So this is the first one because 655 45th second, 655 56th second. So this is our first one. Let me open this one, and it's showing us 100.1 to 101.0, right? Here you can see 101.1 to 101.254. So you can able to understand the discovery of Shazam batch size is set to 256 because which is dividing consisting of up to 256 target IPs of both the Shazam prop. So you can understand the port and the props by using this lab. Uh, that's how today's video. Thank you for watching my video today.